Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Workspace security settings for admins, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com. Use your administrator credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Security section. From the main dashboard, locate and click on Security. In the Security menu, select Authentication. Review the two-step verification. Next, check the password management settings. Make sure that your organization requires strong passwords. Return to the Security menu and click on API Controls. Verify that API access is restricted appropriately. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your data. Now, navigate back to the Security menu and click on Data Protection. Check the settings for Data Loss Prevention, or DLP. Ensure your organization has policies in place to prevent sensitive information from being shared outside. Next, review the settings under Reporting. Look for any unusual activity reports or alerts. Investigate any flagged items to ensure your environment is secure. Go back to the Security menu and select Mobile Management. Ensure that devices accessing your workspace are compliant with your security standards. Finally, perform a thorough review of user account permissions. Make sure that only authorized users have access to critical settings and data. Once all settings have been verified, document your findings. Conduct regular reviews of these settings to maintain a secure environment. Stay informed about any changes in Google Workspace security features. Regular audits will help you keep your organization secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.